states of matter. There are three states of matter. First one is solid, second one is liquid, third one is gas. My name is Adila Shehzadi. I read a class word. That I will explain the first state of matter is solid. The particles in solid are packed together closely. The force of attraction between the particles are stronger. They cannot move about freely. The solid have defined infinite shape, weight, and mass. For example, geometry box, plastic ruler, scissor, pencil, marker. Then the second state of matter is liquid. The particles in liquid are not packed together so closely. The force of attraction between the particles are not strong. They can move about more freely. The space between the particles are greater. They have definite volume and mass, and they have not fixed shape. For example, juice, mustard oil, milk, ink, and my name is Hola. I read in the last grade fourth grade. I will explain the third state of matter is gas. No fixed shape. Gases do not have fixed shape. Definite mass. It has definite mass but having definite shape and volume. Particle move. The forces holding the particles together are very big. Space. The space between the particles are much larger. Occupies space. A gas occupies the whole space of its container. For example, balloon, water flute, perfume. My name is Huda. I read in class 4th and I will explain about metals. Some metals are hard and shiny, for example, gold and silver.